To add a Facebook feed in Webflow, start by visiting a specific website and creating an account by providing your email and password information. Once you've logged in, you'll see various apps that you can add and edit. Type Facebook into the search bar and select the Facebook feed option, which will take you to a template selection page. Here, you can choose from a range of templates, including small and large widgets and Facebook post options, by scrolling through the available choices. After selecting a template, save it and you'll receive a code that you need to copy. Next, go back to your Webflow account, click on the designer, and select the Code Embed option. Drag and drop the code into the desired location. And if you have the necessary subscription, the Facebook feed will be embedded into your site. Once you've published the site, the Facebook feed will be visible.